Testament to that is Flare's DeFi growth over the last, let's say, 6 months, which has really exploded. And so suddenly when you get very, very large asset in like XRP, you'll be able to use it across those DeFi offerings, one of which is Firelight, and probably, which I think will be one of the biggest use cases of XRP, not just on Flare, but anywhere. And I think, but other things you'll be able to do with it is you'll be able to lend it. You'll be able to borrow XRP. You'll eventually be able to essentially turn XRP into a stablecoin through a CDP protocol, and you'll be able to trade XRP. But most importantly, once your XRP is in Firelight, you will get a staked representation of that XRP, which you can then do all the same things that you can do in DeFi with XRP, with FXRP, but with staked XRP, SXRP. And that is very exciting.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.